Alright, so I haven't filmed anything today yet, but right now me and Mom are going swimming. Last week when Mercury was here, I filmed when we went swimming, but I forgot to add it in the video. So I'll probably add it in this because I didn't film much today. We just got home from going yard sailing because there was a town near us that had a yard sale, like a community-wide yard sale. So we were gone all day doing that, but yeah, I got the girls a new litter box. Well, that's not it, but the one I got is like a corner one. Are you excited to go swimming?
Yep.
Okay, me and Mercury are going swimming for the first time. They finally opened the pool up here at the campground. Oh, I only have 1% battery. I didn't charge it. Might not be very long. Are you jumping in?
No.
Okay, you're watching.
Oh yes. Oh my god. You said that. I would have opened
So it's not waterproof?
No.
It's not going to last very long. I wonder if it's really cold. Oh, I got Okay, we have to lower our voice. Okay, I'm going to stop this until we actually get it. I just stopped recording.
It's actually not cold once you get into it. I'm serious, I'm not lying.
I'll just keep this going, I guess.
It's vibrating.
Until it dies.
It's actually more chilly on top of the water than it is in the water.
Oh, that feels so good. Oh my god. I have to go dry them. Okay. Just get in.
Yeah, you just gotta like go on the step and then like swim in.
Here,
Seriously.
you. What are you doing, girls? Being cute? Oh, get it crazed. Ooh, good stretch. Good stretch. Good stretch. Get those pieces of food all. Sillies. Someone's lighting off fireworks. They're over there. I got no shoes on. Ooh, the grass is wet. kind of hard to see. Oh, they're done. Well, if I would have known, I would have came out earlier. I probably missed the best ones. I don't know if you guys ever saw outside of our campsite. But this is the outside of it. Next weekend, we got the okay for Christmas in July. So I'll be in the parade again, and I'll be decorating all next weekend. But honestly, it already looks like it's Christmas. Look at all the lights. But good morning, Grace. What are you doing? Beautiful face. You excited for Christmas in July next weekend? What about you? What? You get your junior mints? Yeah. You're silly. Hey?
Bye-bye.
You ready to go home, Crazed? We're off to go home. Everything's locked up. Next weekend's Christmas in July. What do you think, Cole? You ready to go home?
I'm not ready to go home.
I am. I have to get ready for next weekend.